Hi, this is Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Thanks for checking into the weathermanpod.com. On your Tuesday, it's the sixth day of the month of May 2025, and the wet weather continues across the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. Set up on the weather chart shows a couple of areas of low pressure, one across the eastern Great Lakes, and the other one located right over central and eastern Pennsylvania and northern Maryland and Delaware, continues to do a slow, gradual drift towards the east by northeast. With a couple of frontal systems associated with the system, looks like conditions will be overcast with about an 80% probability of rainfall from Baltimore up to Philly to New York City and all the way up to Boston and even coastal Maine. Areas of rainfall are also expected across much of Pennsylvania, just about all of it, and some heavier rainfall in western New York State, central Ohio, and southern portions of the Michigan area and southern Michigan near Detroit southward all the way to Toledo. Also expecting rain and quite a bit of rainfall, coast of Texas and Louisiana, Gulf Coast, extending all the way up into North Texas, Oklahoma, and even into the mountainous regions of southern portions of Montana through Wyoming and Colorado. West Coast is looking dry at this point, but with those persistent areas of low pressure, it's going to be one more day of complete overcast and the possibility of some rain, drizzle, and fog, and the possibility of those thunderstorms as that front moves through. By tomorrow, the situation starts to improve in New York with a little bit of rain showers early, but then becoming partly sunny and temperatures generally ranging between 70 and 75, which is pretty close to normal for this time of year. That type of weather pattern continues into Thursday with a slight chance of a shower, but Friday a better chance of showers, but then some drier, nicer weather coming in for this upcoming weekend in May. If you are flying on this Tuesday, of course, the Newark area, because of FAA controller problems there and some problems also with communications and also radar, they have extensive delays into the Newark area, almost 4 hours, especially with the IFR weather expected once again today and tonight. So it's going to be really tough in and around the Newark area. Check ahead. You're also finding some isolated delays in JFK and, of course, in LaGuardia to Boston area, also IFR with rainy conditions. A little bit better in D.C., also in Dulles, and Central and South Florida are looking pretty good. Atlanta's going to be dry, as will be Charlotte. However, rainy conditions in Houston and Dallas-Fort Worth, with some locally severe weather from San Antonio northward right up through Austin, and then possibly into central Texas over the next 24 to 36 hours. Some heavier rains across central and western portions of Colorado into Wyoming. And it looks like a few light showers expected across mostly northern Arizona and northern New Mexico over the next 24 hours as well. Dry conditions over the west coast. I'm Meteorologist Steve Pellettiere, and I am the Weatherman. Hope you have a great day today. Talk to you first thing tomorrow on Wednesday. See you then.